Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make microwave omurice. It is super easy. You can make it in 5 minutes and perfect for bento box and also for a quick snack. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Yeah.
Let's make the regular version first. Here are the ingredients. Mix the ingredients for the seasoned rice. Then microwave for a minute to make it warm. Mix an egg and mayonnaise very well. Cover a plate with plastic wrap. Spread the egg mixture. Microwave on medium for a minute and 10 seconds. Then place the rice in the middle. By the way, the doneness of your egg is your preference. Now fold both sides of the egg and flip it over. Finish with ketchup. If you have never tried Japanese ketchup and you think, ew, then you have to try it out. Kagome Tomato Ketchup, you wanted to screenshot the package and ask at the store. Now for the mug omurice, you wanted to mix all the ingredients for the flavored rice in the mug. Then microwave for a minute to make it warm. Mix an egg and mayonnaise. Pour it on top of the rice. Then microwave for 2 minutes. Finish with ketchup. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
じゃあいただきます。ニコニコです。泣いちゃった泣いちゃった。顔ぶつけちゃったよレッドに。おいしい。食べたい？じゃあ食べてみようか。どうぞ。どう？おいしい。包んであるオムライスとは違って結構卵がねご飯と接している部分が一体化しているのでまたそれもね食べやすくてなんかオムレツみたいでご飯入りオムレツみたいになって食べやすくて本当に美味しいです。ぜひ作ってみてください。またね。デザインあじゃあ